So in this video, you'll learn how to install an always-on display on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to access the Galaxy theme store, and you can do this by swiping up and selecting Settings in your apps drawer or on the home screen. And then you want to scroll through Settings until you find Themes and tap on it. Under Galaxy Themes, you want to select the category labeled AODs or Always-On Displays. Then from here, you can see all the options that you have available for you to choose from so that you can add it to your always-on display. So look for your preferred choice, and when you tap on it, you can see how the preview looks like. If you don't like it, you can always just go back and look for something else to use. And then once you found your preferred choice, just tap on download and wait for the always-on display to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, select apply. And then if you don't have always on display enabled, you might want to go back to settings and ensure that you have it turned on so that you can use it, so that you can use that option. So ensure that you have always on display enabled. Then you can go back to themes and look for your always on display. Then select it, tap on apply. Then you can choose to apply either the clock and image or just to the image only. So for me, I'll choose the clock and image. Then you just tap on done and wait for the changes to be applied. Once you've done that, you can then just activate always on display, and you can see you successfully customized it to your liking. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.